Good morning, Facebook. This is Walter Lundy with Regional IT Services, www.regional IT Services, professional technology assistance, computer repair, IT services, affordable domains, web hosting, email, as well as a variety of technical products and services. I'm here on a Saturday morning up grinding. You know, it takes grinding to be a king. I don't stop until the work stops. So I'm out here working in this factory today, and we're basically just switching them over from one domain to another. So we're backing up their email, things of that nature. So that's what we're in the process of doing. If y'all need our services, make sure you visit our website, www.regionalitservices, or make sure you view our product page, which is store.regionalitservices.com. Thank y'all for the support. Hope y'all enjoying y'all weekend. Go Cowboys, and make sure y'all visit our website. Thanks for all the support and all of the love and all of the kind wishes and the knowledge, so forth and so on. Thank y'all. Have a great day. Just wanted to give y'all a shout out for Regional IT Services.